बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हाउ आर यू स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप यू आर डूइंग फाइन एट योर होम्स। कैसे आप सब लोग बेटे? आई होप यू ऑल विल बी फाइन। वेलकम टू 502 मॉडल कॉलेज फॉर गर्ल्स। एज यू नो, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर डेट शीट, टुडे क्लास 7th इज़ हैविंग एन असाइनमेंट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट साइंस। ठीक है बेटे, आपकी डेट शीट के अकॉर्डिंग आपकी साइंस की आज assignment है. Okay, so we are going to continue with this. First of all, listen to the instructions and please follow them while doing your assignments. इंस्ट्रक्शंस को आपने फॉलो करना है जब आप लोग अपनी असाइनमेंट सॉल्व कर रहे हो. ठीक है. नंबर 1 is solve your assignment on narrow line loose sheets. You know it very well. You have to solve them on narrow line loose sheets. Secondly is please write down your names, class, date and subject on the top. ठीक है. आपकी असाइनमेंट स्टार्ट करने से पहले अपनी नेम, क्लास, सब्जेक्ट और डेट लिखनी है. Draw margin lines properly. Please draw the margin lines on both ends. Draw diagrams and label them with pencils. You have to draw all the diagrams with the where it is necessary with the help of pencils. आपने पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करनी है. लेबलिंग भी आपने पेंसिल से करनी है. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप उसके बाद कोई कलर्ड मार्कर्स वगैरह यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है. Do neat work and avoid cuttings. Yes, this is very necessary. Please do neat work and avoid cuttings. Do not use any kind of whiteners or removers while doing your attempting your assignment. Okay. And lastly, this you know it very well, but still there's a reminder that you have to submit it on 17th of September 2020. Okay. Now we are moving toward the question number 1. कंप्लीट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस बाय राइटिंग द करेक्ट टर्म्स. इस हर स्टेटमेंट के सामने आपने करेक्ट वर्ड लिखना है या टर्म लिखनी है. ठीक है. नंबर 1 इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ फूड. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ फूड. नंबर 2 इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग एयर इनटू एंड आउट ऑफ लंग्स. द प्रोसेस ऑफ गेटिंग एयर इनटू एंड आउट ऑफ लंग्स. Number 3 is the grape-like clusters of thin-walled balloon in lungs. The grape-like clusters of thin-walled balloons in lungs. Number 4 is large sheets of ice are called dash. Large sheets of ice are called dash. Number 5 is the process of removal of impurities of water. The process of removal of impurities of water. Number 6 is a complete change in size, shape or state of matter. A change in size, shape or state of matter. A compound containing only carbon and hydrogen atoms. A compound containing only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Number 8 is a polymer that can be easily molded. A polymer that can easily be molded. Number 9 is results in new substance with different properties. Results in new substance with different properties. Number 10 is toxic gases in the air react with rain water to make dash. Toxic gases in the air react with rain water to make dash. Next is you have to encircle the correct answers. 3 options are given for each statement. You have to circle the choose the correct answer. ठीक है जी, आपने correct answers को choose करना है. Please encircle the correct alphabet. अगर एक ही statement ठीक है तो आपने एक को circle करना है, full statement को circle नहीं करना. Okay. Number 1 is drinking water sources can be contaminated by. Option A is natural materials. Option B is runoff from the fields and roads. Option C is forest. Number 2 is which one is not the source of water pollution? Which one is not the source of water pollution? Option A is human waste. Option B is industrial waste. Option C is rainwater. Number 3 is the place where digested food is absorbed. The place where digested food is absorbed. Number 1, option A is small intestine. Option B is large intestine. Option C is mouth. Number 4 is the reverse process of peristalsis. Option A is breathing. Option B is burning. And option C is vomiting. Number 5 is air is moistened, filtered and warmed in the. Option A is esophagus. Option B is nose. Option C is stomach. Number 6 is heavy mechanical complexes use a large amount of water. Heavy mechanical complexes use a large amount of water. Option A is cooling. Option B is for freezing. And option C is for washing. Number 7 is we can get the purest form of water. Option A is by boiling water. Option B is by distillation. And option C is from rivers. Number 8 is an example of a chemical change. Option A is boiling water. Option B is burning of paper. And option C is cutting of paper. Number 9 is the red color of a rose turns brown. The red color of rose turns brown. It is a. Option A is chemical change. Option B is physical change. Option C is sudden change. Okay. Then you have to draw the diagram of human digestive system and you have to label its all parts. आप ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम की डायग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे, उसके सारे पार्ट्स को लेबल करोगे एंड यू विल ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ रिवर्सिबल एंड इरिवर्सिबल चेंज ईच. ठीक है, एक डायग्राम आपने रिवर्सिबल की ड्रॉ करनी है, बल्कि ड्रॉ द 2 डायग्राम्स ऑफ रिवर्सिबल, 1 डायग्राम ऑफ रिवर्सिबल चेंज एंड 1 डायग्राम ऑफ इरिवर्सिबल. एक ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है, एक आपने रिवर्सिबल चेंज की ड्रॉ करनी है और एक आपने इरिवर्सिबल की डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी है. ठीक है. Now I coming to the short question answers. You have to write the short answers that should be of 3 to 4 lines or 4 to 5. ठीक है, maximum 5 lines का होगा. Number 1 is briefly explain the function of stomach in digestion. Briefly explain the function of stomach in digestion. Number 2 is how we can prevent diarrhea. How we can prevent diarrhea. Number 3 is describe the function of trachea in human respiratory system. Describe the function of trachea in human respiratory system. Number 4 is what are impurities of water? What are impurities of water? Number 5 is how industrial waste causes water pollution. How industrial waste causes water pollution. Number 6 is write some uses of water. Write some uses of water. Number 7 is define physical change with examples. Define physical change with examples. Number 8 is what is plastic? What is plastic? Number 9 is define hydrogenation. Define hydrogenation. Number 10 is what are irreversible changes? Give examples also. What are irreversible changes? Give examples also. Number 11 is briefly describe the process of filtration. Filtration, okay. Number 12 is why is most of Earth's water salty? Why is most of Earth's water salty? Number 13 is why is fresh water important? Why is fresh water important? Number 14 is write some harmful effects of improper use of fertilizers. Write some harmful effects of improper use of fertilizers. Number 15 is How water is important for life. How water is important for life. Number 16 is write a short note on bronchi and lungs. Write a short note on bronchi and lungs. Number 17 is what are supporters of digestive system? What are supporters of digestive system? Number 18 is how we can avoid constipation. How we can avoid constipation. Number 19 is what is chemical change? Give examples also. What is chemical change? Give examples also. Number 20 is write a short note on common cold. Write short note on common cold. Okay student, this is your assignment. You have to do it on properly and neatly. Draw the diagrams properly with the lead pencils and make sure that you will do it by your own. Okay, take care of yourself.